Also remove it as soon as it's printed, or else it will get
Get
dirty.
dirty. It will spoil the bed, no?
Yeah.
Come off the line.
This one's so since I'm experienced, I do all these things. Like, but no one should do these things when the printer is in operation.
That online you should move hands.
Yeah, this was because I pushed it and a little bit of film
Now
goes.
starts
Yeah,
Thanks.
and it will also show the remaining time. 16 minutes.
No, where is it? Sure.
In the end.
Oh yeah, 16 minutes. Yeah.
So the same model, I also got the same model with my 3D printer. It took 30 minutes.
Oh.
The motors are upgraded in this printer. This is fast. Yeah. This is super fast. My printer is slow. Super slow.
Oh.
The first layer is slower than the next layer. And the fan will switch on after the first layer. Or else if it's going too much, then the material might go away. And you can see that the material is hollow. It is not a solid. So even if you make it a solid, or even if it is hollow, the strength will remain the same. It doesn't change.
The maximum size of product you can do.
220, 220, 250. Mm.
222, the height is 250.
Yeah.
So you can build like to here.
Up to around here, yeah.
They built it 2 days.
Yes, sir.
Not for this one.
Not for this one.
This one is faster.
The full one,
if you make this take
like if you make a proper cube,
bigger
let's say
size and even size cube and then it like that.
And when it gets more complicated, like there are overhangs where you can't 3D print, you will start building support structures from the bottom. So that will take more time because a nozzle cannot print in the air. So it needs, let's say if it is a shape T shape. So here it's like a cantilever. So you need support. So that will build support, and that takes time.
Even for this board also, it's structured
Yeah.
in between.
Correct.
You can print one more company.
Also, there is a setting where you can increase the speed by 25%.
25%.
Yeah. If you are confident that like previous print was good, you can increase it by 25%. So if it's taking let's say 100 minutes, it will take 75 minutes. Again, there is also a limit to it. We can go up to 200%, up to 100%. If you increase more than that, the motor will heat up.
Structure. TikTok strength is double.
Yeah, there are multiple structures. In Pura, you can see the multiple structures here. So, you can click the.
Which one?
You can click this.
Which one?
That one. And then you can see there are multiple infill patterns.
Infill density.
So, honeycomb is the most strongest honeycomb structure.
Honeycomb is because it's a hexagon
Yeah.
shape. Yeah, it is.
That's the strongest.
Strongest one. Yeah. This one is like a diamond one.
It's cubic. It's cube.
Cubic. Oh, this one is cubic.
Yeah.
Papan putih.
She can I get a mouse? So this is mouse, a real song because of the sun.
No, mouse was not.
You should.
I think it's in.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Mana. Ini nak pula ini juga. Ngalah benda ngalah. Oh. Kamu jadi. Maka pun barang ada.
Estimated time? 15.
Now,
Yeah.
now 11 minutes. ini wah, taruh kau ikan di sana. Ya.
Why did they do the viral like that?
Because it will move.
Okay.
It keep moving and it will also move up. So it needs slack. But you can like pull it, and if you know the correct height, you can modify it. You can make clips and put it in the video. Oh, I see. Increase the size back to on side. Yeah, everyone on it. Everyone. Increase. Okay, now let's increase. It is slice. So if you go to preview, you can see how the infill structure is.
We change this one.
Yeah. So now it's cubic.
Change it to this one, for example.
That consists more material.
More material, but the strength will be more. Yeah, you can see the structure. So hexagon. This is how it is. Yeah.
That estimate time approximately how much will be?
This one 3 or 5 minutes.
Yeah, 3 hours, 5 minutes, and 9.2 meters of filament. And now you can see here that there is material, some material. So if the size is too big, a nozzle cannot bring across. So then we will require supports.
Oh, then afterward we can remove the
Support. Yeah.
I see.
So there is like rules for 3D printing. If the overhang is less than 10 mm, you can have overhangs. You can build a T-shape or cantilever if it is less than 10 mm. But if it is more, then you need support structures. So designing for 3D printing itself is like different. So you can see that there are structures now.
So for that support and all,
Yeah.
we have to design it or
No, it will automatically take it, but you have to enable.
Okay. Oh, we have to enable the support.
Yeah.
Okay.
But manually also you can put like placement everywhere or placement touching build plate. And you can manually put that. So these are all the supporting structures, the ones in the blue color.
So like when we are designing this thing,
Correct.
then we can put the support from mobile also.
Correct.
Or else we can just directly use this
So
support.
while designing, you can think that okay, let me change the shape of the part because it will require support. Or you can also orient the part in a way that if you want to print T is the best example. So T will be like this. So if you want to print it the same way, it will go up, and when printing this part of the T, it won't have structure, so the filament will just drop down. But for that you should add support. But the other way of doing it is you can reorient the T shape to flat, to it being flat. So
A flat T.
Flat,
The reverse
yeah.
T, so the base is printed first and then vertical.
correct. So T will be through the Z-axis. So like you can imagine before designing or even after designing and then orient it accordingly. So optimizing for 3D print, 3D printer, 3D optimization is a job role. The people will send you parts and optimizing like what kind of support structure or do it. I saw this somewhere.
Even in the one we can by using our this optimizing, we can reduce the filament also.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
So how to control
Filament,
the filament
time,
also.
cost.
Yes.
So that is
How much is this filament roll?
1 rupee per gram, 1 kg, 1000.
How much is it weight?
This one I think less than 100 grams. This is for just test.
100 rupees approx.
Yeah. But now this is only using around 3 meters, 2 meters or 3 meters. And since it's a
post pattern with the switch board,
yes, yeah, this is a big one. It will take up the entire bed.
when we have changed this structure also, no?
Structure, orientation, but I think orientation is right because this is the best way.
Even we have used the support also.
Support. But if you remove that, this part will not be maintained properly.
But we can
Sure. This will be done in 2 minutes, 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Sir, but for we can print some functional items for your office. Like, so we'll just put it and go. We'll put it for printing and go. The best thing is laptop stand. You can build a laptop stand.
चाय बनाना ठीक है ये जितनी बार लगनी नहीं बनाना ये बड़ी बड़ी पूरा बनाना बराबर है बड़ा बड़ा बनाना
Yeah, kitchen is also good.
Bench, that's a benchmark and it's good. Oh, there is one more cat. Sir, there is one cat which is like this.
Hand.
What is it?
That we used to call piggy bank. It was there. No, it is come take your money.
That is also there, but there is one in all Buddhist places I saw saw this cat. So there is a cat, they will have solar panel and it will be doing this in front of the shops. Now you can see how the support structure is not there, but it will directly put a bridge for the roof.
The level, you know, the size is increasing.
Yeah.
That suppose that you should only design it, or won't it give it automatically?
It will give it automatically. But if we consider this while designing, then we can optimize the parts
So
properly.
if I say don't use support structure, and I
It'll
also
fail. It'll
don't
just
manually give a support
it
structure.
just drops. Filament will just drop.
Okay, but it will keep on printing.
It will keep on printing.
Instead of
You can only do it by image recognition. If the printers fail, you can only do it by image recognition. I don't think there's any other. Sir, for this I will put one tape. This part.
Who invented this technology, Amma?
Someone in 1990s, but there was a patent in 2011. So,
Patent till 2011.
So that's when the patent expired, and everyone started commercializing it, and hobby printing started.
Minute 60 seconds. 이거 때는 원래 시대는 어떻게 봐?
Why we do we make another wooden structure?
Actually, I reached Amma once for our product. We want to build a prototype of casing. Something.
Mr. But I think it should be fine
I did not
directly.
find time to
You can
work
just
it out.
keep it and it will be
That
fine.
will end up
That's all.
casing.
So then,
Otherwise, it
acrylic is the best sir. We can buy 6 pieces. We can use chloroform and bond it.
then we have covered it.
Yeah.
Then we keep it there. This will not move.
Then we can 3D print the casing.
But size.
Yeah.
We can make
multiple parts.
We can, you know,
Multiple
attach
parts.
it.
But it'll take time.
Why to put a simply cut something? This is required when we have to design something very
Specific.
specific
First
and
time
very
prototype.
what is it?
Prototype.
Difficult to do.
And also prototyping. First time and we have to do.
No, like if we think that okay, anything can be 3D printed, we will somehow approach that solution. So now we know that we can't 3D print, it will take a lot of time, but how can 3D printer be used? We can have those corners where we can just slide in the glasses and keep it across all the 4 sides. I got the idea right now.
Base thing.
Base thing, we can just 3D print and slide in the
Get
glass.
glass slabs and
Correct. So bonding is not required. Those things can be avoided.
Basant Raj IPS GP.
There is also this handcraft modeling material, right?
Basant
It's like paper, hard paper.
IGP
Balsa only. But it feels like paper.
You can make paper models. Yeah,
Oh, that's all you can.
I'll show you.
Paper ones, okay.
social જેમ તેમાં ખોલા છે મારા જેથી વસંતરાજ પછી સ્ટુડન્ટ સમય બુક્સ મૂકવાનો છે એટલે કે જે આપણે જમીન હોશે ને પછી એમાંથી તો જમીન સ્ટીકર की बोतल है જે પોતે ફે લો કે લો કે રાત બુક્સ લાઈબ્રેરી તો સારા છે
So you can do it 2 ways. You can remove the build plate and
By bending it.
by bending it. Or since it is only taking up a small area on the build plate, you can just do this and it will come out. But do we have to wait for some time or just... No, immediately. We have to do it actually immediately because the bed will get cooled down.
That's okay.
No, I think for this we can do